Hey guys, welcome to the Codes of Home. Today we're making a billing system software. This is a simple billing system implemented in C. Allows user to add items to their cart, view customer details and exit the program. So how it works? Billing system add to the cart. Simply we add one. Enter name. We add a home. Mobile number 99. Simply 99. Choose the payment method. We choose prefer the cash. Simply cash. Add to the cart. We want to the rice. Two rice. One. Two. See. GST will also added and we also want a shampoo. See, shampoo also added and X, 3X, 1, 2, 3. 3X added, we totally 708. Now we done. Now we want to watch my details. We simply go and type 2 customer details in name. Om, full name. See, customer details. Name is Om. Mobile number is 99 something something. Payment in cash. Total is 708. Rice is 2, shampoo 1, eggs is 3. So you want to make this code? Let's make it. Firstly, we use a two header files as hash include stdio dot h and another one is a string file string hash include stri and string dot h. Then we use a constant constant character, then item name. Then we simply use a int choice 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 for the customer choice. Then we use a switch. Then we write here a choice. And here we remove this break. Remove all breaks. We don't want a break. We write here a one. Then right here return bread semicolon. Simply we copy first case and simply paste 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simply use a V, use a 6. Give the name 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simple at 6. After bread, we add a milk. M-I-L, sorry, it's not M-I, M-I-L-K milk. Then we simply write here a X, E-double-G-S, X. Then here we write a rice, R-I-C-E, rice. Then here we write a hand wash, H-A-N-D, hand, W-A-S-H, hand wash. Then we write here a shampoo, S-C-H-A-M-P-O, shampoo. And here in default, we simply write a return in valid item. In valid item, simply write. We don't have a return break. Here we use a function of structure. So first we use a type def, then stru, stru struct. Then we use a produce product. For product, we using a product. Then we using a for customer character name, character name. Let's make a in array length is 20. Then we use a float for the price, price. Price. Then we use a int for quantity, quantity, quantity. Then simply we here write a hot product, pro for the simply use. Then we use another slug for the customer details. The type def and user str uct slug cus comer customer. Then we simply write here. Firstly we write a variable name. Name make it a array. Length is almost 15 semicolon. Then we use a int. Then we implement a mobile 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 semicolon. Then float. Then we initial total total semicolon. Then we use a how to customer pay. We add a payment mode. Let's make a 25 rent for the show. And product, use a product items, length is 100, then int item item count. Simply write a code. And simply we use here a CU customer short form. Then simply we want to add functions. We simply add a functions like save customers. We simply add firstly save customer details. Then we add a void. Then we use a yes we save customer customer. Then we use a int index index index. Then character name. Then we use a int number. Then we int payment mode. Simply we input payment mode in using a structure in int mode. Then we convert the number in the name like a we later convert in this function we convert payment. Then we use a simple structure C CUPE people CUPE. So here if index sorry pointer if index is then 500 because we only add 500 customers. That's why you can write here 1000 50 5 whatever you want. Then we use a for loop make the int I is equal to 0 now I count is equal I count 500. Then here we use a simply use a string function if str tmp string compare we use a here name then here we add a comma pe I we write a name. Simply we compare is output give is a 0. Then we simply print for we make this for error handling in worst case customer or are we a diva already not a variable. Then we didn't turn. Then we simply put here. Then here we use a. Then here we after that this for loop we use a str ppy ping coffee function. We use a people I, no, no, not I. Here use the people, index, index, then we use the name, then local name. Here we put, then we print like a PE, and here we use the index, then here we write a mobile is equal to number. Then here we use a PE index, sorry, index, then here we write a total, initial, the total is a 0.0 because initial Indian total is in float variable. Simply we use here now which payment method want to be the payment in the customer payment method. So we simply use a switch case SWI switch payment mode. We write here we write a payment. Simply write here a payment. Here we write a payment and we written here a case one. Then we ESTR TP was string coffee. We will write simple PE R index. Then here we write a payment mode. Then if you use first, if you user entered a one, we simply write a on online. Like this, we simply copy a for method. We initialize the for method. One, two, three. We initialize four. One, two. Here we write a CASH cash. We write a three. For three, we write a here we write a card because card is most important than cash now. Card CASH cash. Then here we simply write a gift because nowadays gift is GIF gift cards and vouchers. You see here GRS vouchers because in a business voucher is most important role play and we print the default we write a print wrong payment m third selected wrong payment method selected simple idea and we don't have here a break I you and return simply we return then here we write another here PE PE here we write a index then here we write a item 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 count is equal to the zero initial this then we simply add print the user created created yes you successfully. Next slide. Here we write simply a index plus plus for the people count. Now we don't have to complex our code. We simply go to our main body. We later add another functions. Simply add here a int main. Simply add here a int main. Then here we add simply a index is equal to the 0. Then we write here a character new name instead of 50. Then we use the int mobile. So we the int payment. Then we int option. This int. Don't take it this. We use a now call the or customer or customer structures. We simply use a PEU, PEA, then we write a 500. Then we simply like do, and here we write only a two option. Third one is exit. So we simply write here a option not equal to the do this option not equal to the 0. We simply print a print next line add item to CRD card. Next line simply write this. Then we write a printf 1414 BREAD bread. Next line. Always make sure maintain this order. This order is here. Printf 2 MIL in milk. Next line. Printf. Then user 3. Then we here user 3x. Next line. Printf 4 rice. Next line. Now in 6 we simply add here a shampoo. Shampoo. The next line. Then we semicolon. Then we use a nice formatting. We here print a next line. Simply next line. Then we simply print a exit. For the exit we write a 7. Here we write a 7. 7. Then done. And done. Next line. Here we print a, then we scan. Then we print for the option. Enter your CHOI choice. Enter your choice. And if you print here if wait, firstly here we scan. We have to scan here and stored in option 2. Here we write the option print option 2. Okay. Here we write the option 2. Now we add to the card. Then here we Add another do. Here we add a table. Here we add a do while. Here we write a menu. Next line, next line, billing. Billing system. Next line. Here we print a one for add to cart. One for add to cart. The second for second for customer details. Next line. Printf. Third one is the exit. Next line. Here we print a en enter your choice. Choice between one, two, three. Here you see it. Here we can and modulus D. Here we print Turin option one. Here now we have to add here a switch. Switch here we write here option one. Forget a semicolon. Here we put a add to cart. Here we write a one. In this one, we simply what to do? We simply copy this code, but paste here. We simply copy, paste, and paste here. Simply done. Simply done. And here we add a customer details now. Printf, enter, comma, cus, customer name. Put here customer name. Yes, yes. We can here we enter a 49 string. Then we store the new name and same. Print en enter mobile number. This is scanf the then for in mobile. Then we simply print next line. Next line. Then here we print the here choose I see choose the payment mode. Choose the payment mode. Next line. Here we print one online. Next line. And we remember we here add a card. Next line. And here we simply add a option third. EAS cache. Next line print 12 add a 4 GIFT gift cards and VO VO UCHERS vouchers. Next line. Then we print enter the mode is then we scan using module ampersand store a payment method. We were ready. Then we simply use all function. Then mobile, then payment, then PE, simply PE, like a structure. A semicolon, here we done, here or then here we simply put, here we now we make another functions like a product save list, product show. We simply use a product show and product save. And here simply we write a void product list list save. Here use a char new name in array int n you then deeper nothing. We use a for loop in I because don't want to don't have more than 500 people. You write a code, use the if function, if str emp compare pe I name. Then here we write a new name equal to the zero. Then sorry. Then we here look in j sorry in j equal to zero more than to the pe I PEI dot item count with j plus plus. Then here we write a if str star emp star compare PEI item items then j names items j you write names. Then here we write items names n is equal to zero. N here we simply add a comma. We here remove the e. Already know from this line we simply if under the if function we add a pe I item, then J point quantity plus plus. We increase the quantity, printf UUAN TR up DA update in the chart. Next line simply we print next line and return then complete. Here here we simply write a str ppy in coffee PEI PEI items in items we write a PEI dot items count and name. We will write this an item name yum. We will write this then we will print write a PI dot items non items in items we will simply write a PEI dot items count EI dot items count and quantity is equal to the 1. Then PEI dot item array PEI items count price initial price all items in 100 rupees. Then PEI dot item count plus plus. Here we print the print item added to cart. Next line return dot. Then here we simply print user not found. The word user not found. Now we can import to the another function. We make another function to the product list show. Product list show. Character new name. Make it array. Then CU PE. Nani. Simply we write here a for loop int I is equal to 0. I am 500. Here I will write a simply if strcmp strcmp new name pe dot I write the name is equal to 0. Then print here. Then print this. Print now. We can add here a formatting. Looks how design makes in the C language. Is equal to why you are product is equal to 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 is equal to. Then next line. Simply add next line. Then here we write here print I T RTEM to add a space. We simply use a tab function. Tab tab QUANTITY quantity. Here we use a one tab. PRIC price. Here we use a next line. Then we use a print. Then here we write a this line. This type formatting. Then here we use a next line. Simply we use a here next line. Firstly we use for here calculator typing or total. So here we declare a float. Here we initialize the FLOAT float. Here we add a total value of the material is equal to 0.0 slash. Here we use it for GST. For GST calculation, GST is equal to 0.0. Then we here write a PEI or total, then 0.0 make the you write a for loop. Then we write here int j 0 PEI item ITE. Sorry, here is a dot item count j plus plus. Then here we print a print. So see carefully how to initialize the format. Minus 15 yes for the item's name. Then one tab. Then modulus minus 8d tab modulus 2f, sorry, 2f, 0.2f, because we want two numbers after the decimal point. Next line, simply add here. We use firstly use a PE I items. In items we use a J, and then we use a name, and here we use a PE I items. In items we use a J, and J we add a quantity, and another PE. In PE we add a I. In I we add items. In items we add a J. In J we add a price. Here we didn't declare. At a total plus firstly plus is equal to the PE I dot items J quantity multiplied by PE I items, then J price. Here we will write a GST is equal to the total. We add a 18% of GST. That's why we multiplied by 0.18 or total. Then we simply add a PE I total is equal to total plus GST. Simply all GST calculation is done. Now we print a bill. Printf, then next line. Then make this pattern. Use next line. Then we print. Simply print GST. One tap, two tap, three tap, four tap, one tap, two tap, three tap, four tap, 18, one modulus for formatting, one modulus for the percentage, like showing 18 percentage. Because here we add only one modulus, to give you a error. If you add a two modulus, it's giving us to the one. That's why here we print the next line and use a here we use a print, then here a total T T T T one. Sorry. We forget to use the commas. Total total tab 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 modulus point two F. Next line, here we print PE I total. Next line, print F. Print this pattern is equal to next line and return nothing. Here we simply use the print user not found. Now customer details we add another. In the customer details we add another function for this. We simply add a void COUSTOMER customer info, and here we use only two: title, new name in array, then CUPE array. In this we add same for loop int int I is equal to 0, count 500 if cmp star compare PE I name is equal new name is equal to the 0 is true, then printf next line, and here print is e- is equal to customer customer details is equal to next line, then printf customer name, then here we write here it is yes new line, PEI dot name, sorry, I dot name, then we simply copy this one and print one, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 5. Then we did customer mobile number, mobile mobile, then mber mobile number. Make this formatting mobile number. They will write a mob, customers payment method, PAME anti payments MODE mode, customer payment mode. Yeah, credit card payment mode, customer total customer total in a 2F, point 2F. Here you write a total, then customer, then we print a customer items. Here you will remove these items. Next line. Next line. Then we here a print for loop for p and j is equal to 0. Count we print a PEI item count. Here we print a simply old formatting modulus minus 15. Yes, then tab modulus minus 8D and tab modulus point 2F new line. Simply this formatting and then PEI items PEI items, then J, and here you write a name, then comma PEJ PEI items, here write a J, here write a quantity, and same thing in this quantity we write here a price like this, and then here we write a semicolon, then here we return nothing. Here we return nothing. Done. We are done now. Here we put a if option 2 greater than equal to the 1 and ampersand no equal to the 6. Then you're thinking, why should I add this? Why are handling product list save? We firstly save the list. New name option 2, then PE into this. Then we simply show the product list using same. name, then P, else, else if option 2 not equal to this. A1 print invalid choice choice. Next line, invalid choice. Here we write, yes, this is right. Now, in case 2, case 2, in case 2, we simply printf, enter the enter the name, enter the name. Then yes, and scan if thing is new name, then customer information, new name, PE, PE, then break. And default, we simply print wrong option C, yes, E, ERD, 8. Next line, we write here a break, you know, file. We here simply put option not equal to the 3. Here, done 0. Our problem is done and our project is also done. When we done a mistake, where is a mistake? Here, what is a mistake? Yeah, here. No, no, here is done a mistake. Yes, okay. One mistake is sorry, no another mistake is printf. Yeah, here. Yes, no mistake found in your all code. Or done or is okay now. So we run the code. Simply we run the code. GCC, what is your file name is billing system. BILLING billing. Yes, yes. TEM system dot C. Simple done. No mistake is found. Here. So simply we write here the add to cart first. My name is Om. Simply Om. Mobile number is 99. So write your own number. Payment method I prefer to the online. The add item to card. I want a one bread. See, one bread price we initialize the 100. All item price is 100. So I one bread is 100 and 18% of GST is a 118. Right? Perfect. Now we want to the one rice. So we put here a 4. See, one bread, one rice. So now I want to the another bread. So bread quantity is 2, price 100, total price is a 35400, adding a 18 percentage of GST in each product, not each product, total product. Now simply we write here 9. See, enter enter the choice, we write 9 invalid option. See. So now we done. Done. I wanted to see my bill. Customers, what I ordered. Input to enter name is Om. E. Customer details. Customer data is Om. Mobile number is 99 something something. Payment method is online. Customer total is 35400 something. Customer item is two breads, 100 rupees. Price 1. The source code link is given in description of GitHub. This link is given in description. You simply come here and click here. Billing system, and you see the source code. And you also see a readable file. You can see the what is the features added, supports, and much more. You can copy here, GitHub clone, and you add this code in your VS Code and run it. If you like the video, please make sure you subscribe channel.